How's the Hecarim matchup? Goes either way. It's typically Hecarim favored just because he's hard to kill with his W, and he just stat checks you in most 1v1s. But if you get a lead, then you can deal with him pretty easily. And if he goes Lucidity Boots instead of Tabby, then it's Rengar favored by far.
I seek only the strongest.
Probably wasn't expecting Leon.